How about the lawnmower? Let's take it. So guys, I found the old lawnmower in 2013. It was 7 years ago. It's been a long day for this garden. Let's try pulling this.
Please insert battery.
I need to get the lawnmower battery. Maybe this one. There you go. Let's
Insert
try and pull
correct.
it again. It works. I need to push this lawnmower from gardening. How about here?
Item, not grassing.
Come on. What the heck? There's something went here. I need to fix it. We need to take this. I'm trying to fix my lawnmower. I'll use this hammer. Throw the lawnmower wheel. I need to refuel the electric barrel. It goes here. Time to refill the lawnmower. Let's see it works. I'm going to start moving. Acts like a garden. Ready, aim.
That's it. I don't want to use the lawnmower anymore because I am very angry. Get out.
Did anybody see Dad? Dad, what are you doing?
Your bed is dead.
He's been very angry. Dad, where are you? I don't see him. What happened to the lawnmower? Wait a second. I have an idea. I'll get the headphones first. I'm going to prank my dad. I'll get the drone. I have to use the drone controller. Now fly. Wait, did the drone move?
Wake up. You got scared me for a second. Jimmy, well done.
Take out the trash. I've already tidied up the garden.
Well then. It seems right.